Welcome back to our new friends. Today we are going to talk about how to off auto brightness mode setting in Oppo phone. Today's topic is guys auto brightness, how to off it in Oppo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all open your phone setting. After guys click on display and brightness. The display and brightness setting we will click here. Scroll it guys, then guys you can see your auto brightness. So it's on, so you want to off, so you can off, and then guys come back. So your auto brightness will off automatic. So I think friends you have understood how to off auto brightness mode setting in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel.